Hey everybody, we're back in the shop. This is Bill, SixRounds Studio. New project, and I haven't looked at it yet, so I thought I'd open it here in front of all of you. Take a look at it and see what it is we have to do to this project. So I got called on this, I don't know, a month ago, and I was asked if I would take a look at this gunstock and assess it and give my thoughts about doing the repair. Now, according to the owner, this is a gun stock for a Rising M50, and all I have is the gun stock. I don't have the rifle. And the problem, and it is a problem, the problem is that there is a split down the center of this. And he wants to know if I can glue it up, make it disappear. And once again, I'm looking at a gun stock that I don't think is the original finish. He wanted me to do that crack repair and do my best to make that crack disappear. Let's take this these screws out and see what we got underneath here. I don't know what this thing is. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's the comb. And that crack starts all the way back here, comes all the way up through, goes all the way down the length of the inletting. Let's turn it over. Same thing, starts back here, comes all the way up through here, all the way through here, through this bolt. I'm not quite sure what that is yet. Doesn't appear that it comes up into the forearm at all, which will be good for the gun stock, because that way I only have to get this cleaned out here. Hopefully you can see how prying that opens that crack up. Just focus. And you can see it in the back as well. You can really see how that opens up in the back and how that opens up in the rear of this as well. So I'm not completely familiar with the Rising M50. I'm not sure what it does, what it looks like, but there is a recoil shoulder and then the takedown screw that comes into that receiver somehow, and I am not sure what would have caused this thing to split. There is actually, now that I'm looking at this again, I always tell you guys about doing surveys first. There is a split there, a crack or a break, and that has to be repaired. I am, again, like the 1907, convinced that this has been mucked with, that this is not original finish, that something has happened to this gun stock along the way. Got to find out from the client if he just wants this repaired or refinished. Again, he sent it to me for evaluation. Nothing here is extraordinarily difficult, but it is time consuming like all this stuff can be. So, I will take on the repair. I will call him, the customer, and find out exactly how far he wants me to go with this. This is going to be a short video this week, guys. We're going to just talk about this a little bit. This is something I'm going to do. I'm going to cover it with the videos. You guys, if you have any interest in me showing the entire detailed repairs, depending on what he wants me to do, if he wants it refinished, I'm definitely going to do the repairs. Whether we refinish, he wants it to the repairs to disappear, and we can do that. Leave a comment. Let me know how much of this you're interested in seeing. Because we have 3 projects right now. We've got the Winchester 1907, we've got the 44 carbine redo, and now we have this. They're all in the shop. They all have to be worked on. All of this is going to be for you guys. You tell me how far you'd like me to cover on this, because I'm going to be doing the work. I can throw the cameras on if there's interest in me showing how I repair these gun stocks. I may just show it anyway. Guys, short one. Appreciate you being here. I will see you in the next video coming up soon.